So have you ever went to go pop your hood and your hood release latch just does this? And then you notice there's a broken cable. Well, today we're going to fix that. So what you want to do is, this is the clip that attaches into here. There's a little channel right here. You want to take the broken wire, spin it up toward the top through the channel, and then this little clip will push right out of the circle spot. So it's just lifted up, wire through the channel, and over. So up, over, it just pops right off. Then you can see where the rest of the wire connects into this bracket, and then it goes up through the firewall back there to the car. So all we'll have to do is pull the old cable back through the car from the hood relatch lease. We're going to tie a piece of twine to it as a little guide wire. The hood relatch lease cable is going to come up through here. It comes down here, wraps around there, then comes down right there in front of the battery. And this is the little round spot. Clip, this little ball. You're going to have to release it from that. Now this is the hood latch release part you want to push down on. You want it to get in a locking position, like so. That would mean the hood is locked. That would mean the hood is locked, and then you just have to release this little clamp out. By pulling up on the wire and then bringing it through here. Now that you released it from the hood latch, you have one clip here, so you just want to undo it with a small screwdriver, like so. And then there's just two wire harnesses back there, cable harnesses. It's not tight at all, so we're going to tie a piece of twine to this and start pulling it back through. Alright, now we have it tied up to the twine. Here's the cable we're going to be pulling from the inside of the car. So you got to get back down here. You got to pull the cable out from around the white clamp that's right there. Like so. I'm trying to do it one-handed. Alright. Now we have the cable. And all we're doing is pulling it. It's getting snagged, but that's alright. We expect that to happen, so let's go check the snag and I'll be back. And now we have pulled the cable all the way through. We have it attached to the wire, the twine. And what we're going to do is untie it from here, tie it to the new one, and pull it all the way back through to where it belongs. And here it is. We got it pulled back through. Now all we got to do is hook up the little ball to the clamp on the hood latch, then rehook it up inside the car. It's a little bit of the pain. You got to guide it through the firewall. Pull gently because you definitely don't want this to break. And you got to watch it come through. And as you can see, I started off down here by tying it up. But I was having issues with this end going through, so eventually I just changed my mind and retied it up here onto the actual ball. So let's start hooking it back up. So once you get it ran, you want to hook up this end first. The cable goes up into the slot, and that little hammer end goes into a hole and then pushes through this way. So you go run it up in there, push it to the hole, slam, put it back through the slot, goes through that white slot right there, up through the firewall. Then you want to come over here and attach this little round end through that clip. Now, I saw other people on YouTube saying you got to remove the bumper, you got to remove the grill, but there's no reason to do that. By using that twine, I was able to go through the wire and harnesses in that wheel well, wrap up around here. Yeah, and I don't want to hear about my battery holder. It holds just fine. And then come right to here and connect it. And now we're going to test it out. Now when my cable broke, my hood wouldn't close no more. It stayed open, which wasn't good because I didn't even notice it was broken until I was doing about 75 down the interstate. And thank God for the safety latch, because it kept blowing up a little bit. Up and down, up and down. But I was able to buy the cable for $14 off of Amazon. It's taken a whole about 20 minutes of running it back through the car. And now we're going to see if it pops open. And now it's locking, and it's shutting, and it pops open again. There's no reason you can't do this yourself.